So the next question, x plus y greater than 4, 2x minus y greater than 0. As usual, we will take the equation x plus y equal to 4 and 2x minus y equal to 0. Okay, so we will draw the table to find the points corresponding to the given equation. So x, y, when x takes the value 0, 0 plus y equal to 4. That means y is taking the value 4. Isn't it? Same way, when y takes the value 0, x plus 0 gives you the value 4. That means x equal to 4. So we got 2 points 0, 4 and 4, 0. And for the second equation, when I give the value of x as 0, what happens? The equation is 2x minus y equal to 0, isn't it? When x takes the value 0, 0 minus y equal to 0, giving you y equal to 0. That means x equal to 0, y equal to 0 came on the same point. So we have to substitute another value for x or y to find the next point. So I am going to substitute the value of x as 1. So when x takes the value 1, 2 into 1 minus y is equal to 0. That means 2 is equal to y. The value of y is 2. Okay, so we will plot the points. First point is 0, 4 and 4, 0. 0, 4 will be 0, 4. And 4, 0 will be here. So we have to draw a line joining these 2 points. And the next point is, for the next line, the points are 0, 0 and 1, 2. 0, 0 is the origin and 1, 2 is the point here. So we have to draw a line joining these 2 points. But in the equation, it is just a greater than. So we have to join the line using join the points using dotted line. Okay. So these are the 2 lines. The line corresponding to x plus y is equal to 4 is this one. And the line corresponding to x minus y is equal to 0 is this line. So we have to find the common region for these 2 lines. First we will find the region for x plus y greater than 4. So if I put the value of x and y as 0, what will I get? 0 plus 0 greater than 4. That is 0 greater than 4. Is this inequality correct? No. Okay. So we have to shade the region in which 0, 0 does not lie. This is the line, corresponding line. So it divides the plane into 2. One is above the line and the second is below the line. So above the line, below the line, the point 0, 0 lies. Since the inequality is wrong, the shaded region or the solution region will be the region above the line. Okay. So for this line, as far as this line is considered, the region is above the line. For the second one, when we put the value 0, what we are getting is 0 greater than 0, isn't it? 0 greater than 0 is not an inequality. It's not a correct inequality. Before that, the line itself passes through the point 0, 0. Till the previous question or till this line, the plane was divided into 2 in which in one portion 0, 0 does not lie and in another portion 0, 0 lies. That was the case till this question. But for this line, the line itself passes through the point 0, 0. So the line divides the plane into 2, one above the line and the second below the line. But 0, 0 is on the line. So we have to take another point to check where the solution lies. Is it clear? If I am considering this line divides the plane into 2, above the line and below the line. Below the line, the point 0, 0 lies below the line. That was the reason why we took 0, 0 and we check out for the solution where it lies, whether it is above the line or below the line. But as far as this line is considered, the line itself is on the point 0, 0. That means below the line we are not able to identify a point 0, 0 or we are not able to identify the point 0, 0 above the line. That the line itself passes through the point 0, 0. So to find the solution region, what we have to do is we have to find a point other than 0, 0. Okay. So either you can choose a point below the line, otherwise you can choose a point above the line. So if I choose a point here, if I want to choose a point here, it's clear from the graph that that point is 2, 1. X coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 1. Otherwise we can choose this point. X coordinate is 4, y coordinate is 1. So if the inequality is true, we have to shade it to the below portion. If the inequality becomes false, we have to shade to the upper portion. Otherwise, we can take a point here or here. If I am taking it here, x coordinate will be -3 and y coordinate will be -2. And if the inequality is correct, we have to shade it to the above region. And if the inequality becomes wrong, we have to shade it to the opposite side. Okay, so easiest way is take a positive values. That will be easy for calculation. So just check whether 1, 1 is above the line or below the line. So there is a point 1, 1 which you can see below the line. So I am going to, instead of 0, 0, the point 0, 0, we are going to substitute 1, 1 as the line passes through the point 0, 0. Okay, so for this equation, 2x minus y greater than 0, I am putting the value of x as 1 and y as 1. So what we get? 2 minus 1 greater than 0, that is 1 greater than 0. Is this inequality correct or wrong? This inequality is correct, isn't it? So the region is the region in which 1, 1 lies. The region is the region, solution region is the region in which 1, 1 lies. 2x minus y greater than 0. As far as this line is considered, 1, 1 lies below the region. So which will be the solution? The solution will be the region below the line. Okay. Again, we have to take the common portion, common solution for both the lines. So as far as this line is considered, the solution region is to the upper portion, and as far as this line is considered, this is the solution region. So which will be the common area? The common area will be this one. While shading, you have to shade it till the end of the graph. And don't stop here. This x-axis we don't have to consider this x-axis because it is not mentioned in the question. So we have to shade it till the line. Okay, so we have to shade it till here. So this is the solution region. Okay. So again I repeat, if the line passes through 0, 0, to check where the solution region comes, you have to check a point. Take another point other than 0, 0. Either it can be from the lower section, otherwise it can be from the second portion. So wherever it lies, you have to be careful. If the inequality is correct, you have to shade the portion in which the point lies. If the inequality comes wrong, you have to shade the portion in which the corresponding point does not lie. So here we took the point 1, 1 and the inequality became true. That is the reason why we get the solution towards this region. And the common solution, common portion for both the line is this one, and this is the solution set.